The Philip Coburn Elementary School in West Springfield is undergoing some minor construction. 22 News received some emails with concerns about what work is being done to the three-story building. West Springfield's Assistant Acting Superintendent Kevin McQuillan told 22 News that parents have nothing to worry about. Maintenance crews noticed sagging in the roof over the first center floor where water wasn't draining. A local engineer came in and recommended putting up additional shoring, and crews are installing new support columns. The Coburn Elementary School was originally built back in 1923 to 24 as a junior high school.